Hey!
Easy now, fellas. Breakfast is ready. Here you go. Fresh hay and grain. Good horses. Enjoy your meal. All right, time to stretch your legs, my friends. That's it, run free.
Huh?
Easy now, come on back. That's it, good boy. Welcome back to the herd. That smells mighty fine already. Let's give it a taste. Ah, perfect. Just needs a bit more simmer. All right, girl, let's get these animals herded. Head them up, move along now. That's it, keep it steady. All right, follow me to the new field. That's it, good pace.
Oh shit!
Here we are. Enjoy the fresh grass. Whoa there, easy now. Not toward the flowers, stop. Good boy, that's it. Let's go check the barn.
No.
Good work, team. You earned these. Here you go, big fella. One for you, and you, and you. That's it. Good horses. Hey there, buddy. Let's check your hooves, one by one. Easy now. This won't hurt. Looks good so far.
Oh shit!
All clear. You're in fine shape, fella. One more to go. Hey there, little rascal. Having fun with the horses? Easy now. Don't tire yourself out. All right, time to head back to the barn.
Oh shit!
That's it, follow me. Good horses. All right, time to head back to the barn. That's it, follow me now. Good job, everyone. In we go. This post is a bit wobbly. Let's fix that. There we go, nice and sturdy. All done, the horses are safe. Easy there, fellas. Plenty for everyone. That's it. Drink up. Good boys.
Wow.
There we go. All fresh and cool now.
Wow.
What a beautiful day for a hayride! These hay bales are ready for the barn. Giddy up, old tractor! Time to get this field ready for planting.
Wow.
There we go, a nice even spread. Whoa there, old girl. Let's take a breather. Engine's running a bit hot. Better check the belts. That sun's no joke today. Alrighty, let's get this tractor shining. That mud's no match for this pressure. There we go, good as new. All right, let's get these seeds planted. Adjusting the depth now. There we go, looking good. Nothing beats a cold drink after a long day in the fields. Time to rest these old bones. Evening soup again. These fresh veggies make it just right. Chop these carrots nice and even. Now for the onions, adds that good flavor. Almost ready for the pot. Easy now, steady pace. Good boys, into the stable. There we go, all safe and sound. All right, one last check before bed, everyone. Chickens and cows are all tucked in. Good night, friends. Sleep well. Goodbye, my friends. Take care now. Back to the farmhouse. Take care, you two. See you tomorrow.